Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video I am going to show you how we can unlock the aircon temperature controller. Normally our aircon temperature sometime it's automatically lock or someone lock and then they don't know how to unlock. So in this video I am going to show you a very simple and easy trick how you can unlock your. So before we start, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. If you have any question, comment below. Let's go to our topic and then continue. As you can see, this one is aircon controller, temperature controller. We call thermostat also. So normally this one we control this one is touch screen the controller. As you can see, I just control the mid, high, low, or fan controller or auto, or this one hot and cool. Then this one is temperature, and then this one is power button. So if I on the power button, sometimes the people they put the lock. So lock normally put the up and down button. As you can see, I do the lock now. If I press together for the 5 seconds, as you can see the written there the lock. So how we unlock this one? The same procedure, we press the both button for the 5 seconds, then it's unlock. As you can see, we cannot off also. We cannot off, we cannot control the fan, we cannot change the mood hot or cold, then we cannot control the temperature. Even we off the switch, even I off the main DB. As you can see, I off main DB, main supply. Now I on back. See, it's written lock. Then automatically reset to the normal temperature 22, but we cannot control from this temperature controller. Must we unlock after we can touch the screen. Sometimes it happen like that. If we off the switch, now it's no power, no nothing, but sometimes it's lock. Then we, as you can, maybe you can see, or how, as you can see in the sunlight we can detect there is a lock, but if we pressing the power button cannot on. So how we unlock? It's same procedure. Some people they think this one cannot on or spoil or whatever, but it's only lock. As you can see, this one because of the sunlight reflection, there is the window. So the window reflection showing us the lock. If we in the dark place, we cannot detect there is lock or how. So what we do the same procedure, press up and down, both press together for the 5 seconds, then it's disappear. As you can see, I open the door, so as you can see it's disappear. So now we can on the aircon. So very simple and easy trick. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the new trick.